Welcome. In this video I will tell you how to clean and maintain your Logitech MX Master 4. To clean the finish of your mouse, use a soft, slightly damp microfiber cloth with tap water or distilled water to gently wipe the surface. Avoid harsh chemicals and excessive moisture that could damage the finish, and for tighter dirt or sticky spots, you should use a small amount of mild hand soap diluted in water or fragrance-free disinfecting wipes. Also avoid alcohol-based cleaners on the surface to prevent any wear in the future. If you want to clean the sensor, you should use a dry microfiber cloth or a can of compressed air to carefully remove dust from the area, and also avoid using any kind of moisture. Do not put water anywhere near your mouse sensor. If you want to maintain your scroll wheel, you should gently brush it with a clean, soft brush. Do not use any metallic tools for this. If brush doesn't help you, you can also use compressed air. And if the wheel feels sticky or unresponsive, you can use a lightly dampened cloth with water. Just carefully wipe the wheel, ensuring no moisture seeps inside your mouse. Be very careful with it. For deeper cleaning, you can use Velcro tape or an interdental brush to dislodge debris around the wheel. And that's basically it. If you maintain your mouse this way, it will serve you for years. If you want to be wanting to replace it after a year, maybe after a year they will release even a better version of this mouse. But generally speaking, this is how you do it. So thank you for watching this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.